Imagine moving to a master plan community where you truly feel like you live in a resort.
It's no surprise this is one of North Texas' most popular communities.
Welcome to Savannah, Texas.
Savannah is the ultimate destination for families, professionals, and anyone seeking a vibrant lifestyle located near Lake Lewisville off of Highway 380 in Dallas-Fort Worth. Featuring 7 premier Dallas-Fort Worth builders, Savannah is a Huffine signature community full of style. The 20,000 square foot clubhouse features a fitness facility, cafe, and conference rooms. Outdoors, you will enjoy sports fields, pools, tennis courts, walking trails, and even a water park complete with a junior Olympic-sized pool for racing. Welcome home to a perfect blend of luxury, comfort, and entertainment possibilities. This stunning 2-level home in Savannah features a thoughtfully designed floor plan, inviting front porch with room for rocking chairs. As you enter, you will be greeted by a grand hallway leading you to an open concept living area anchored by a cozy fireplace, modern kitchen with granite counters and sliding glass doors taking you to an extended cover patio outdoors. All bedrooms and bonus room are located upstairs.
Don't miss this opportunity to experience Savannah living at its finest and make this home yours.
We hope you enjoyed our tour today in Savannah, Texas.
To be the first to be notified of all of our newest listings, go ahead and like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.